Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today let's go for a quick drive in this 2022 Lexus RX350 F Sport handling. This interior is really nice. The exterior is atomic silver, which you'll get to see later on in the video. But yeah, this is very nice build quality in here. These have a 3.5 liter V6 with 295 horsepower. And this one seems to be one of the, probably the highest trim, highest thing of F Sport you can get as well. Use the gauge cluster. You can change your modes using this. I love the gauge cluster in these. Put in sport mode. Reminds me of the LFA. That's why I really like the gauge cluster in these. F Sports. You have F Sport on the steering wheel. Screen is pretty big. Touch screen as well. As I mentioned in my other videos about Lexus models, if you watched any of my other videos on Lexus, you know I don't like the infotainment, as most people don't. It's pretty bad. Or it's really bad actually. But yeah, that's one of the biggest demerits of the car. Heated steering wheel. You have ventilated and heated seats in here. Seats are extremely comfortable. I love them. Very nice seats. Yeah, I'm very impressed with the build quality in here. Everything just feels so nice. Backup camera's a little crappy. I don't like it looks kind of distorted in Lexus's, which I've noticed. I don't like the camera. It's kind of crappy. And then you have a 360 camera as well. Yeah, let's just go for a quick test drive. This is the first time I've ever been in the RX350 F Sport. I've been in a lot of the regular ones. First impression, acceleration's okay. It's not great. It's by being an F Sport and all that. The transmission just isn't that responsive on these Lexus cars, which sucks. I feel like if they had a quicker transmission, it would help out a lot, and that goes with all of their models. The torque converter automatic could be a lot better. Like, I don't even bother using the shift paddles in most Lexus models just because it's so unresponsive. It's not instant, I'm not expecting to be a DCT or anything like that. I mean, like even Acura, the 10-speed automatic in Acuras are great. I compare this to like an RDX or MDX. The 10-speed is way better. But the car is very smooth. Ride is really luxurious, which is expected from a Lexus, That's what they're known for. And great build quality and reliability, of course. As a daily driving SUV, this is nice for sure. I'm a little picky myself on terms of like transmission responsiveness and acceleration and all that, but I might be in the minority. Able to brake pretty quickly here with not much effort at all. But you see, when you need that instant pickup, it's just a little bit laggy. And that gauge cluster is so awesome. I love it. It looks so cool. And one thing I've noticed on Lexus is even on this one, like when I grab the door handle, the leather feels like it's going to tear soon. And I've seen that on a lot of Lexus models. Don't know if that's something that's like a defect or something, but I've seen it in many other Lexuses that I've driven. And now I felt like the pickup was a little better. I'm going to put it in normal mode. Oh, that was Eco, my bad. It's a nice Silverstone F80 over there. Alright, well that time the pickup was pretty good. Can't even lie. That was foot to the floor completely. Let's just do a hard brake test. Pretty good. Gonna pull into a spot real quick. Just do a quick walk around of the vehicle. So yeah, the atomic silver looks amazing. Beautiful color. I like the graphite wheels. Yeah, good looking SUV. Family SUV. If y'all enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Tons of new content coming out. And I'll catch you on the next one.